Okay, my name is Kevin, and I'll do a presentation about ultra sensor ruler. And the goal of this project is measure the distance using ultra sensor and display the distance to the user and turn the LED light, which you can see here, based on the distance. So for the design, it's kind of hard to understand at this level, but each LED must be controlled based on the distance. So I made 5 different objects in the code. Also, based on that, you can control each LED based on the distance. So to build this program, you need 5 LEDs, 2 breadboard, 3 MMF wires, and 4 ultra sensor, 5 Raspberry Pi, 6 resistors. So I made a mistake while making this program. I switched the if statement. It should be less than 50, but I made more than 50. Yeah, it's kind of stupid mistake. So if I had time, I'd use different color for LED to make this more colorful. And I'll show you the code later. It's pretty long, so if I have more time, I could make the code shorter. Now I'll show you the code. This is the code. There are many if-else statements. Yeah.
Can you briefly go through your code and see what's going on?
Okay, so import the library, Python library to use the Raspberry Pi, and I made, like I said during the presentation, I made 5 objects for LED, so I can control each of them based on the distance. There are 5 total, and well, initialize the object here, and in this part, I get the distance data using ultra sensor. And at this part, based on the distance, LED light will show. So I made a bunch of output true and false. This is the part that I should work on. There are many redundancy. They're pretty much same. So yeah, and I'll show you our demo of the project. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you guys see it?
Hmm.
Okay.
Do you see it? What happens? 7?
Want to try?
No.
Okay. So
That's a lot of numbers.
No, but he's doing something there.
this is the sensor,
Okay.
and I'm blocking the way so you can measure the distance.
And also the LEDs, the LED light bulbs, what's happening to the LED light bulbs? What is happening to the LED light bulbs? Watch his hand and the light bulbs. You don't see the light bulbs? You don't?
No.
Over there.
Awesome. Is there any questions for the mentor?
No.
So I just want to say ultrasonic, sir.
Oh, okay.
Ultrasonic.
Ultrasonic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
What units of measurements are you using?
Centimeter.
Centimeters?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's called
That's right. Yeah.
metric. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Any more questions?
No.
That's it.
All right. Let's give a round of applause.